Hey guys, it's Dane with DynastyBreaks.com. It is the 3rd of January 2020. I need a new intro. I always say, hey guys, it's Dane with DynastyBreaks.com. What should I say?
Yo, this is Dane.
Yo. Cards, yo. Nick, yo. Personal box. Don't tune out. If you're just watching, don't turn it off. I don't do that. Maybe I should do that.
All right, let's have a hot box.
Yeah, we're going to be doing some Prism basketball, by the way. We are going to be doing Prism Hobby. We were going to do it this weekend. We did not get our shipment in today. So we're going to do 3 or 4 box breaks. Try to keep the price down. That's going to be fun. So there's the bottom. So yeah, get ready guys, Prism basketball. And we got some more Spectra from Luka's rookie year we're going to be doing. Yeah, 150 for Bowman's Best. We could probably do a couple more boxes, guys, and then we probably need to shut it down because I've got to upload a lot of videos. So might cut it short. We'll do the Origins next for Chuck, and then we can do one more box. We'll do some more on Sunday, guys.
Sunday.
You can come stay with us, Nick. It's all good. Ashley, he'll stay with us. He's all right. Guys' night out. All right, here we go. Ooh. Right off the bat.
Right off the bat.
Somebody has to look this up. That's the deal. Someone in chat has to look up what this is number 2. A finals ticket 101? Maybe? Not sure. Veteran the finals ticket. Charles Barkley auto. Boom! Huge hit, Nick. Is that right? Somebody look that up. Wow. That was the first card from the break. Good night. Holy cow. I'm guessing finals ticket. We don't do a lot of Contenders basketball, I'm sure. I do know this guy. Is it to 25? Okay. Well, that's pretty good. Charles Barkley to 25 if it is. That's pretty darn good. How about to 10? Tree Rollins. The Tree. Everyone loves Tree Rollins.
Did that for his nickname and his shorts.
Championship is won. Okay. Yeah. That's all right, though. Solid hit, man. See, your wife can't kick you out now because you just got a Barkley auto. Nick. Nick may have passed out. We've got a permit insert. Have heard of these. Looks like a credit card. You can use this at your local convenience store. Siaku Doumbouya. I tried. Permit insert. There you go. Does not expire. Awesome. All right. Lottery ticket. Kobe White for the Bulls. Veteran base does not ship on these Contenders personals. Lottery ticket, a Romeo. Wherefore art thou? And we got a parallel semifinal ticket. Andre Drummond to 149.
That's a neat card, isn't it?
Yeah, nice parallel. The waves going on. Very nice. We lost Nick. Or maybe my chat's not downloading. Where's Nick? Nick may have already got killed by Ashley. Sorry, Nick. Warriors.
He's running through the house trying to get away from her.
Yeah. Trip her and then check out the Barkley and then keep running. Sorry, Ashley. And we've got the finals ticket to 65 on this one. Malik Monk. Malik Monk for the Hornets. Owned by the greatest player of all time. Okay, just a second, Queens. Do you have an account on our website, Queen's Heart? If not, dynastybreaks.com. You need to create your account. And I'm sorry if you're somebody and I don't remember your tagline there. Okay, I won't show her the tree. Hide the tree. You ever showed someone the tree?
Yes, I have.
There you go.
They haven't spoken to me since.
Wow. Yeah. Tyler Hero, Rookie of the Year contender. And apparently they're not well, these could be from different cases, actually. We got these boxes from different distributors. Steph Curry, Superstar die cut. Condition sensitive, as you guys were saying. Steph Curry. These are from different distributors, so from different cases. So it could be a case hit, and we got them on both boxes. Not sure on that one. All right, Nick, congrats, man. Barkley Auto, insane. We'll be right back.